What?
Hi guys, welcome back to my this chip. That's better. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been forever. Reason being, I was writing finals for like 1 month, but I'm back now, and I'm super excited because I got a new phone. It's the iPhone 11. Why am I so excited? I don't know why I'm so excited, but getting this phone was really annoying. Let me tell you a story. I went to Apple on Black Friday and they disappointed me. There was no deals, first of all, because Apple never has deals. And I was able to get the phone, so I went to Best Buy and I bought the phone, but then it was out of stock. So I had to wait till the 10th, which was like 2 days ago. And then they told me my order has been delayed. That was really frustrating. But anywho, I was so pissed, and then I went to a different branch, which was like 30 miles away from the branch I had ordered the first one. Then I got this one today, so I had to cancel the first order, and then I got this one. So this video is going to be me unboxing it, and you watching me be mad. Enjoy. So, where's the scissors? I'll use my teeth.
No, you don't even need to do that.
Oh yeah, you just have to pull it out. See, I've never gotten myself a new iPhone before, so this is a really good experience. Oh, and how did I buy this? Because I'm really broke. How could I afford this? I'm going to pay it off in 2 years, technically. So the phone costs like $699. That is a scam. They never tell you that there's taxes not included in that price. So I got Apple Care too. So approximately everything rounded up to like about $900 and something, which I cannot afford from now to the next 6 months. So I financed it basically. So I'll be paying it little by little, and I'll pay it off in 2 years, just in case you're beginning to say I have money and I can buy it for 11. I don't have money. I bought it on credit. So this is the part I'm waiting for like the past 3 months. Why is it not opening? So it's shining and glittering, and oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Is it hot? Okay, can you guys see this? I didn't want to touch it. I don't want to defame it or whatever the English is. So, whoa, it's cold. It's catching cold. Can you see? My cousin is like behind the camera. She wants to touch it, but no. It's okay. I don't like small phones. It's a little bit okay. So this was my old phone, an iPhone 6s Plus. So this is like a big upgrade. I didn't get the 8. I didn't get the 10. I went all the way to 11. So it's a big upgrade for me. So that's what's in the box. I just broke the screen. And then it comes with what you would think is AirPod at first, but don't be deceived. It has lightning cords. So it's regular headphones, regular Apple headphones. I really need this because I've never actually owned regular Apple headphones. Maybe because I never really needed them. So these are the headphones. So why did I get a new phone? Well, because I needed space for my YouTube and a better camera. So now I'm going to be posting more frequently now that I have a new phone. And then it comes with a regular 3-foot charger, which is really annoying because I like those 6-foot charger. No, I actually had a 10-foot charger once. Like I could be anywhere and use it. I prefer those, so I'll probably buy a new charger within some time. But this is just 3 feet, which is annoying. So let me turn on the phone. Keep all these, and this is, I don't know why they always give you stickers when you buy. I don't know what I'm going to do this for. But I'll put on my Lenovo laptop and pretend I have a MacBook. Oh, the SIM card opener is in there. See, I'm a bush girl. I've never bought.
Is part of it.
Oh, they even give. Oh, so this is the thing for opening SIM card. Why can't I use my earring? But anywho, so there's a manual on how to use a phone. No, basically just telling you what the phone is about.
No, it's how to use the phone.
How to use the phone. Okay, I don't use the manual. I don't need the manual either. So what I'm going to do quickly right now is back up. What?
Tell them why.
Why what? Why? I feel like she's more excited than I am. You need to see her face right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly back up my phone. I know it's backed up, but I don't just want to like risk anything. So I'll back up my WhatsApp because I do not want to miss my chat there with my mom because she's going to kill me. So back up my WhatsApp to my iCloud. Oh, by the way, it's a 64 gig phone. I stained the back. It's just super glossy. Can you see the light reflecting on it? Oh yeah. So Okay, so I was able to back this up, kind of, and then look at I have smudges on my hand, but look at the differences. See, just that little like half-inch size is annoying. I'm going to miss my phone. Anywho, let me try and fix the seams and turn it on. Okay, so that's done. Now let's turn this on. Wait, am I using the right button? Did it turn on?
Oh,
Why is it not turning on? It's on. Let me keep these two things here. Okay. Why is it taking forever to turn on? I wonder who ate half of the apple. Maybe Eve. It says hello. Swipe up to open. Wait, let me do this. How do I do this? So I can show you guys how I'm setting it up. Okay. Hello. Blah blah blah. Swipe up to open. Okay, English. What country am I in? United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign it and set it up. Okay. So how exactly do I do that? They said bring it close. It is close. I don't know how those bring iPhone close. Ooh, that's awesome. Wait, what? This is so confusing. Oh, it's not in camera. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so let me see. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Everything I said, it came back and started working. So continue. Now it's going to take forever. Face ID. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Face ID. No, don't take off my hat. Then I'll just look like a chicken. Okay, so just read my hands. They don't see what I'm doing. Oh. So I'm trying to set up the face ID right now. How to set up face ID? Position your head in the camera frame and move your head in a circle. Okay, basically they all just look like idiots doing this, but that's fine. So that's what it's telling me. Oh, face ID is now set up. Awesome. Continue. Restore from iCloud backup. Transfer directly from iPhone. What should I do? Okay, so long story short, I transferred from my iCloud, and that was like the wrong move to do, because it was just the wrong move to do, because I didn't get my apps and I didn't get my pictures. I didn't get anything. I just got like my phone numbers and text messages. So I had to reset my new phone back to the way it was, back to the hello stage, and then I did the transfer from iPhone. So if you get a new phone, I'm gonna advise you to do the transfer from iPhone, because that was the best bet for me. It may take a few minutes. So while it's taking up a few minutes to set up my Apple blah blah blah, I'm just trying to fix my screen. I feel like I feel the need to sit down on the floor right now. So that's what I'm going to do. Never really got the concept of chairs in the first place. Oh. So first of all, take this one out. So see, the phone is setting up. Choose backup. Latest backup today. Other backups December 7th. Of course, I'm going to pick today. Enable location settings. So while it's doing that, I'm going to do this. That's so satisfying. Now leave me alone. I don't want you anymore. Okay, so put this down. Put this. So after my effortless recording, I discovered that I did not show you guys how I set my screen, because it wasn't in the camera. But anywho, I got the screen guard from Mr. Shield. I've been using them for like since I started using iPhones, and they're like the best out there. You should really check them out on Amazon. So I got my screen guard from Mr. Shield for a very cheap price. So the remaining setup was really long and boring. Oh yeah, while that is doing as well as doing. So I got spec cases because they are very good too. And I got a clear one so I could show off my phone. Not really, just because I thought it was nice. And I got it on Amazon for like just $9.99 or something like that. Oh, whoa, see? Ugh, what does he have? See, my phone looks cute. So I'm going to wait for it to restore. It says about 7 minutes. Okay, so restore completed. Continue setting up your iPhone. This takes forever. It's 9:15. Jeez, I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'll go standard. It's asking me for go home. Swipe up from the edge button. They're teaching me how to use. Okay, switch between apps. So they're basically teaching me how to use the phone. Actually, I didn't know how to use it before, kind of. Okay, welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Oh, look, my picture even came too. And my apps. I only have like few apps. Blah blah blah. Use this app when sharing my use this device. I'll just say use. So it comes with iMovie, and that's an interesting factor for me because then I can edit my YouTube videos on iMovie for free. Okay, now let's test the camera. New in camera. Back to camera. New in camera. Capture outside frame. It has new features in the camera apparently. Okay. So you're the first person to take a picture in my phone. It's clear. Jeez, I love it. Okay. So my YouTube videos are going to be like so on point. Wait, let me look at the portrait. Let me confuse that. Because for some reason it's not detecting you are a human. Jeez. Okay, so that's how. Okay, I'm satisfied with my camera and everything else. So now I have no excuse for posting my YouTube. So thank you so much for being with me through the course of this video and enjoying my madness. But there is more to come of this because I have no excuse. I'm going to record videos like, okay, I can't record every day, but I'm going to have a list of videos I'm going to make. So now I have a new phone with better camera quality, I think. So new phone, new camera, more videos. So I hope to see you on my next video soon. I'm done with finals, so I'll post definitely regularly. Bye.